The vegetation changed really fast when we were hiking. Like it was like aspen on one side and then spruce on the other.
Phenomenal observation. That ecotone, that's what we call that transitional zone. Aspen, conifer, that quick. I want you to try to create an understanding in your mind about how sun and wind and snow and aspect is driving why we're changing vegetation.
We came out here on Monday, we looked at the landscape. My team had a conversation with Josh where we really were noticing different things about the landscape.
Like the main thing I recognize, the clouds. It's clear.
That's a good example of avionic. That's not something I would have ever deduced on the first day. It just looked like a pretty scene. But I find it interesting, like you can tell where the water is coming from and where it flows. You can tell where, like, even if you had an underground aquifer, like where the majority of that water is settling.
Varying shades of green, trees following water lines, insects, elk herd.
Water. It's right next to the stream.
Okay.
And the kind of woods probably require a lot of water.
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't notice it the first time, but now I notice it.
We see a river, or bigger stream. Oh, it's a riparian zone. That's why that's there. We know that wind comes from southwest to northeast, and everything's coming together. Where we didn't know that when we were just gazing,
Watching the mountains.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So now we know how it works.
I personally believe that understanding landscape from a science and sustainability standpoint is essential.
The ecology of this landscape, because the way these mountains formed and because the way this slope is formed and the aspect of it, that influences like the way the water falls and the way the light hits it, which influences the the vegetation that grows there and the animals that will live there. That's really what I've come to realize today. That's really changed since Monday. It's just how it's all really connected.
All the biotic factors completely rely on the abiotic factors. Like one wouldn't be able to exist without the other one. It's just all a big, knit together thing.
Even though biotic and abiotic factors are important, we can see the human impact, the management of the land that plays an important role in the structure of these communities, of these natural communities.
The atmosphere drives everything and the topography, but then along with that, you can't see these scenes without the biology and the ecology. Like it can't continue. It's like a cycle.
It's all connected.
Mm-hmm.